Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gear. Today, we've got something exciting for all you PC builders and enthusiasts out there. The Noctua Nitrogen Monohydride U12S Redux High-Performance CPU Cooler. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful cooling solution, you're in the right place. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our tech reviews. Let's get right into it and explore what makes the Noctua Nitrogen Monohydride U12S Redux stand out in the world of CPU coolers. The Nitrogen Monohydride U12S Redux follows in the footsteps of Noctua's legendary CPU coolers. It's designed with a sleek, compact form factor that not only delivers excellent cooling performance but also ensures compatibility with various PC setups. Standing at just 158 mm tall, it fits perfectly into most modern mid- or high-end tower cases. One common headache for PC builders is RAM compatibility with CPU coolers. Well, Noctua has you covered. Thanks to its slim design with a fin depth of only 45 mm, the Nitrogen Monohydride U12S Redux won't block access to your RAM modules. You can use modules with tall heat spreaders or RGB lighting without a hitch. The Nitrogen Monohydride U12S Redux comes equipped with a Nitrogen Monofluoride P12 Redux 1700 PWM fan. This fan is specifically designed for pressure-demanding applications, like cooling your CPU. With a maximum rotational speed of 1700 RPM, it delivers fantastic performance while maintaining near-silent operation thanks to PWM control. Installing this CPU cooler is a breeze, thanks to Noctua's professional SecuFirm 2 mounting system. They've even pre-applied their high-quality NTH1 thermal compound, making it even simpler for you to get your system up and running. The Nitrogen Monohydride U12S Redux is compatible with a wide range of CPU sockets, including Intel's LGA1700, LGA1200, and LGA115X, as well as AMD's AM4 and AM5. This versatility means you can enjoy its excellent cooling performance regardless of your CPU choice. If you're aiming for even better cooling performance, the Nitrogen Monohydride U12S Redux offers an optional dual fan kit. With this kit, you can add a second Nitrogen Monofluoride P12 Redux 1700 PWM fan to further enhance your cooler's efficiency. It includes everything you need, from fan clips to anti-vibration pads. In conclusion, the Noctua Nitrogen Monohydride U12S Redux high-performance CPU cooler is a fantastic choice for those looking to keep their CPU temperatures in check without breaking the bank. Its sleek design, RAM compatibility, and high-performance fan make it an excellent addition to any PC build. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow PC enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of top-notch tech products like this one. If you've got any experience with Noctua's coolers or questions about this one, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.